Moving up, green tip, 5.56, shooting it with our AR, and we'll see what our rifle does. The cutting board. Alrighty. First one is our entry, and the smallest exit yet into the second, out the second. Look at that. Perfect imprint of a bullet in our third. Did it make it through? It did. The fact that it was completely horizontal and it made it through like that is so crazy. Clean through 3. Now we see, look at all of our little marks here on our 4th board. Did make it out the 4th. That's so surprising. Into the 5th. Lots of lead around it here. Stop at the 5th, 4th.